In this video we're looking at the Coleman 424 unleaded 2-burner stove that we have recently purchased. This stove runs from unleaded fuel and Coleman liquid fuel. Two powerful burners combine to give a total output of 14,500 BTU. The main one is 7,500 and the second one comes in at 6,500. If you run these at max, you'll get about 2 hours usage from a full tank.
So the first thing we're going to do is fill her up. I've got some unleaded fuel. I know people say that it causes soot. That's all I have at the moment. So we've got our fuel tank filled up. Next thing is to attach it. That goes in there and that slots in. Our next task is to pressurise the system. I assume you've been told we just pump this in and out about 15 times. I've had a practice. It took me a while to work this out properly. I had to go to YouTube as my instructions are in Polish. But we've got it lit. So basically what we do, we have this little niter nozzle. We put that up like that. We then get our lighter, recommend long nozzle, and we're going to light that here. We're then going to turn this nozzle twice quickly and we should have flame on. So here we go. We have flame, there we go. And we're going to let that burn off for a while. And I've been told that after a little while, once it's heated up, we should have a blue flame. In about 5 minutes now, we don't have a blue flame yet. It's going to turn this little nozzle down. Not sure if it makes much difference. Something happened there. But we're on full open on our valve. One thing I'm noticing, with the nozzle turned down, the flame seems to fluctuate more. Not sure if I need more pressure in the tank. But this is all a first time usage, so let's see. Maybe I need to put more fuel in. We've restarted. I put some more fuel into the fuel tank and I discovered I was pumping wrong. I hadn't put my thumb over the little hole on the pumping nozzle. So I've now pumped it. It seems a lot more pressure, so yeah, I was doing it wrong. And we're going to try again. Whoa! Yep, pressure's up. That was a big flame. And as we can see, we've already got some blue flame here. That's a much nicer flame. There we go. Okay, so that's now. We're going to turn her back up. And we're going to try and get the second one firing. You can hear that roar. And there we go. She's firing. So our next test, how fast can it heat up water? There's no breeze, so I'm not going to put a lid. And she's on maximum. There we are. 2.5 minutes and we're bubbling away. It's not bad. So the only thing I'm not too impressed with is the fact this came out of the box with rust. And this is supposed to be brand new. And there's more all along the bottom. but I've seen you can easily repaint these, no problem. Just not very impressive for a brand new thing to have rust all over it.